Hello everyone. In this session, we will be talking about the Boolean data types in Tableau. The Boolean data type is a decision maker of your data world. They help us to discern between the true and false, yes and no, which enables us to make the data-driven choices. Imagine you're working with a data set that contains information like whether a product is in stock, whether a customer has made a purchase, or whether a task is complete. All of these involve some binary decisions, and that's where the Boolean data type steps in. The Boolean data type in Tableau is used to represent the binary values typically indicating the true or false, yes or no, on or off, or any two mutually exclusive states. When we work with the Boolean data types, we are essentially dealing with the data's ability to provide answers in the form of simple yes or no questions. Some of the example of Boolean data types in Tableau is the product availability. Let's say you're managing an inventory data set. Each product can either be in stock, which represents true, or out of stock, which represents false. Boolean data types are used to convey this binary state, making it easy to manage and analyze your inventory. The second example is the customer purchases. In a customer database, you might want to track whether a customer has made a purchase or not. Again, this is a binary decision. Either they have made a purchase, which is a true value, or they haven't, which is a false value. Boolean data type help us make these determinations. The next example is the task completion. For project management, tracking task completion is very each task can be marked as complete, which is a true, or not complete, which is a false. Boolean data type allow us to manage the project progress effectively with the help of these data types. If we are working with the Boolean data type in tab, there are multiple operations that can support the decision making. The first one is the filtering. We can use the Boolean data types to filter your data, separating the yes from the no to focus on some specific scenarios. The next is the logical operations, which includes combining multiple Boolean values using the logical operations like and, or, and not to create some complex conditions. The next one is using calculated fields. In this, we use the calculated fields that generate the Boolean values based on some specific criteria or expressions. The last one is the aggregation, using the Boolean data type to count the occurrence of true or false, which is useful for the numerical statistics. So I hope the Boolean data type was clear to you. So this is a fairly simple definition. The Boolean data type would include two mutually exclusive conditions, and it can include yes or no, true or false, on or off, or similar kind of values. We will be meeting in the next session where we will talk about the geographic data types in Tab. Thank you.